all my beautiful siren beauties, welcome back to my channel and another video. So we're going to get right into this using Madam Glam nail polishes. That was Barbie Girl, Mimosa, this pretty like mustardy yellow, and now we're using some glitters from Daily Charme, as well as nail foils from Sets Nail Co. I'm actually a brand ambassador for them, so I have a code down in the description box below where you will get money off. It is an affiliate code, so if you use my link, I will make some money. So here in this clip, I'm just showing you, because of the way the foil is set up, I'm cutting out specific areas that I and images that I want to use for the nails. I did cut out a lot more than I used in the set, but it's always sometimes good to have more than less. But I did save those other extra pieces that I did not use. So how has everyone been? Does anyone have any big plans for the summer? Me, myself, I don't, but I am going to be uploading way more and more content just on social media. So here I ended up adding another Madam Glam. This is the white nail polish that has like the purple reflex in it. I'll leave that down below. I forgot what the name is and I'm not by my station right now. So I will actually be uploading 2 times a week as consistently as humanly possible, but also I would like you to follow my Instagram because I also am putting posts over there of other nail designs that I have created. So this week's theme was nail foils. So I have 2 other nail foil looks from Monday and Tuesday. And then we'll have this one. There will be another one on Thursday. And then another tutorial on YouTube Friday. So here I am I thought I sped this clip up. I'm just painting the nails. They are out of order right now just for painting purposes, I'll say. Had to make sure there was no fluff in my polish. So we're doing 1 of that creamy white, 2 pinks, and then we'll have 2 yellows. We are also on our way to the giveaway. We are still not at 50 subscribers yet. So please like, comment, and subscribe to the channel so that we can get this up and I can announce the giveaway. Oh, there you go. Here's your friendly reminder. Like, subscribe, and press that bell so you never miss a video with me again. So here we have all of the nails polished, 2 coats, and I'm going to put on the glitter. Now I did make a mistake and not do this step on the second coat. So technically what you should be doing is you paint the second coat, and before you put it in the lamp to cure, you're supposed to put on these glitters. I didn't do that. But surprisingly, they still stuck, I guess because of the tacky layer. So we're going to put some of the yellow glitters on the pink, on 1 pink nail, and then some of the pink glitters on the yellow nail. So I don't believe I uploaded a video last week on my IG. I actually did Fruit Week, so a lot of my designs are based upon fruits and food. This week is foils. What is something that you would like to see for next week's thing? I'm thinking glitter, but I actually want to get more glitter, so that might be postponed. So maybe next week will just be a big old crystal every single day. And now we are on to the fun part. I took that white nail off because that's going to have crystal placements and we really don't need that right now. So here I am just floating, I believe this was base coat, onto the nail just so that we can encapsulate the glitters. Like I said, I didn't put them on while it was wet, so some of them were sticking up a little bit. So I'm just putting some base coat on to smooth that out. On to the next part, and this is me putting on the nail foil glue. So when you're dealing with foils, you're going to put on an even layer of the nail foil glue, cure it for 60 seconds, but then once it cures, just let it sit out before you put on your nail foil. This is the trick to having as smooth of an application as humanly possible. When you let it cool, it actually sticks better. I don't know why, that's just the science behind it. So here you see me putting on one of the images, and I'm just rubbing with my finger. It would be better if you use a silicone tool. I think when I do the pink one, I'm using a silicone tool. And now I'm just trying to fumbling around to get my tweezers to take off the top. Sometimes, depending upon the design and the size of the nails, it can be challenging to use foils, only because nails curve and the images are flat. You will notice when you use foils, when you really press them down, that naturally the little piece of, what do you call it, cellophane plastic that covers the image wants to lift off by itself, and then you're pretty good. I do have a couple of remnants, I see that there, but it's not too bad and the image is still there. And now we're gonna do the same thing for the summer. So I had to put this on a diagonal to try and get summer in there. As you can see, I'm switching over to this tool, which helps a lot more, but also these were a little complicated because I decided to use this nail stand. I don't know why I decided to use them. I think my other ones that I have, the magnetics are acting up. I have to order some more of the metal nail stands, so I was using this. It's okay, you see it flips off, and then I'm just going to use my nail to kind of scratch the rest of it as much as humanly possible. Apologize for being out of frame. And then there you have it. So you're going to top coat those. I let it sit for a little bit and kind of set, and then I'm going to top coat those and put it in the lamp for 30 seconds using Madam Glam's No Wipe Top Coat, which I'm probably top coating them right now. And as you can see, the order of how I'm doing it, you notice I'm putting on the glittered nails first to give the chance for those foil nails to set up. And on this nail, excuse me, no nail set is complete without some crystals. So we're putting on some glue here. I'm still on the search and the hunt for new crystal glues to use. So if you have any recommendations, please leave them in the comment section down below. But we are going to be using some shapes today. Those are some crystals from Shein that I got. And then we're going to use a couple of those diamond neon pieces that you see there. This was from I think these were from the summer treasure box that I have bought from Glitz and Accessories. I'll leave the link to that haul somewhere in this video. Probably put a card up so you can see where it is. So the first crystal I used, I thought it was like a deep neon-y yellow, ended up being more orangey. Now we're just going in with some of these other translucent crystals. Ooh, apologies if you hear the airplane or my air conditioning, because it is quite hot in LA right now and I need to stay cool. So we're just doing some random nails, some random crystal placement. And then I decided to bring out some micro caviar beads. I usually use the silvers and the gold, but now we have colors. I have a lot of colored micro beads, so we want to start working with them. I am currently taking a couple of courses to get better at crystal placement, and I have noticed that a lot of the designers use micro beads as a full part of their design. So it's not just to, well, in this case I'm using it to fill in spaces, but hopefully in the future I can show you how to use micro beads to actually create some very pretty designs. So that will be coming soon. So just gonna go back and forth, and I'm just gonna use whichever colors to fill it in. I actually kind of like the randomness of this set, especially this nail. And then you put that in the lamp for 60 seconds. And here is the final product. Thank you for watching, and please join me next time. Bye!